Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off show all music library purchases on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Music. Next, in here, go to the library section and then tap on show all purchases. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Once this is turned on, the music app will show all the purchases of all your songs in the library. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.